Can a change in जैसे आप करते हैं numbers, colors, names alter somebody's destiny?
We have thousands of cases in front of you only, na, whether it is an Ajay Devgan जिसके एक जाने के बाद में ही एंटर्ड द 500 करोड़ क्लब, अतिथि तुम कब जाओगे, ऑल द बेस्ट, राजनीति, वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई में एक्स्ट्रा ए देखोगे, तानाजी की स्पेलिंग में एक एच देखोगे, सिंगम एंड सो ऑन. ही नेवर लुक बैक. सेम अजय देवगन पहले भी मेहनत करते थे, ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं करते थे. राजकुमार राव के नाम में जब हमने एक्स्ट्रा एम डाला, ही वॉज अ यादव and we changed it to Rao, and he also wanted to use Rao. So we added an M in his name. Same Rajkumar Yadav was working hard earlier also. So name और signature बहुत मायने रखता है. शेक्सपियर कहते हैं what's in a name, we say lots in a name. आपके लकी कलर्स, दे प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. जेम्स, दे मैटर अ लॉट. बट वी डोंट टेल पीपल टू यूज देम एज क्रचेस. हार्ड वर्क तो करना ही है, लेकिन हार्ड वर्क पहले भी करते थे.
सर आपसे वादा किया था ना कि इस साल के मॉडल पर आपका पहला आके बस वही लाने गया था.
वेलकम टू रिलायंस डिजिटल. यहाँ अजनबी से दोस्ती तक टेक्नोलॉजी और इंडिया का रिश्ता जुड़ता है.
तो आप numbers change करते हैं. When people come to you, you look at what their birth sign, their what.
Yeah, there are three indicators. One is your prime number.
Yeah.
Like I'm born on a 30th.
Okay.
So that makes me a number 3 governed by Jupiter or Guru, which
Okay.
is also a blessing because Jupiter or Guru is a teacher. And teacher ज्ञान बांटने का काम कर रहा है, and luckily I am in that profession. Then being a Virgo, I am governed by 5 number Mercury, like Modi ji, the planet of communication. He's triple E number 5. That's another thing because he is not only a Virgo. His date, month, and year add up to a number 5. His name adds up to a ready-made number 5. We'll talk about him a little later. Then comes my destiny number. When you add date, month, and year, 30th August 1968 से जोड़ने से 8 Saturn आता है. That is another ruler planet of mine, and 8 Shani is about a teacher, about a principal,
Okay.
who will take trials first and then reward you.
Okay.
So these 3 numbers define the characteristics that I get from these ruler planets of mine.
But you can't change these numbers.
I can't
तो-
change them.
हाँ.
But
तो
then
आप
I
क्या
can
change करते
change the vibrations of my name. My name added up to number 30. 30 number has 1 3. Jupiter hero and 1 0. It indicates rise and fall.
हाँ.
Recently on Manish Paul's podcast, I did tell him that his movie Sunny Sanskari adds up to 30, which means it's neither good nor bad, average. So I was not jobless with that name number 30 for 17 years, not even for a single day, but it was hand to mouth.
Okay.
Then the shift from 30 to 33 made that difference. So we bring the name energy on a powerful number. We can't change your
You
date of
can't
birth.
change numbers, but you can add
An
alphabets to a
alphabet or
name.
delete an alphabet.
To a name.
Yeah, so name signature is one way. Then your house number where we stay lifelong, or your office number. Like I was telling you about the fascination with number 6 Venus. You can Google my office address, all of you. It is 402. Google does not have my residence address. It's 501 and 401. So 5 and 6 again.
ठीक है.
So these are how we influence your numbers and give them the same to you through your mobile number. आज आपका काम, मेरा काम सब मोबाइल पे हो गया. मोबाइल एक मिनी कंप्यूटर हो गया. आपका बैंक अकाउंट नंबर, लक्ष्मी आती जाती है आपके बैंक से. सो व्हाई नॉट हैव अ गुड तगड़ा नंबर, ताकि अकाउंट भी तगड़ा रहे आपका. So bankers have also jumped into the bandwagon thanks to us Jumanis, and a lot of bankers are offering you lucky account numbers. In India, there is IndusInd, DCB, there is ICICI. So many banks are giving you option. Kotak is giving you option. If you are in the US, Wells Fargo Bank आपको देते हैं. We have clients abroad, so I'm giving this information to them. Chase Bank के कुछ branches, Bank of America. If you are in Australia, ANZ Bank, even New Zealand में ANZ Bank देते हैं. आप कनाडा में हो तो RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, allows you lucky account number options. We can tell you to use numbers. जैसे कि आपके घर में 24 नंबर लगाइए आप साउथ वॉल पे. 24 is a very good form of 6 Venus, which is not only good for peace, love and harmony. लेकिन आप देखिए 24 कैरेट गोल्ड always in demand. 24 आवर्स ATM मशीन हो या 24 आवर्स मेडिकल शॉप. तो शुक्र का एक बहुत अच्छा फॉर्म है. माय फर्स्ट क्रिकेटिंग क्लाइंट सौरव गांगुली वाज बेंच्ड इन हिज 35th ईयर, and 35-8, like I said, takes trials. I remember 2 more greats, Rahul Dravid in his 35th year was benched, and Sachin Tendulkar too.
Also.
In his 35th year. So that is when Saurav Da consulted me, and from 99 we recommended him at 24, and he made an amazing comeback.
Tell me, numbers can alter और प्रिडिक्ट किसी के लव लाइफ, किसी के सक्सेस, किसी के हेल्थ?
Going back to numbers, so again we recommend them lucky dates also to do something important, whether it is a film release, whether it is entering your new house, या नया जॉब आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, अगर आपके हाथ में है. आई ट्राई टू फ्लाई ऑन माई लकी डेट. मगर अगर मुझे सीट नंबर अपना लकी नहीं मिलता है तो आई डोंट फाइट विद द एयर होस्टेस ओवर देयर. जहाँ जहाँ पॉसिबल है मैं क्यू में खड़ा हूँ और अगर मुझे इमिग्रेशन क्यू में मेरे लकी नंबर्स के ऑप्शन मिलते हैं तो मैं चुपचाप वहाँ खड़ा हो जाता हूँ. सो नंबर्स कैन ऑल्सो इंडिकेट योर हेल्थ. Through your numbers, we can determine your health. Do you remember what was predicted by me on Big B's 67th birthday?
Stomach ailment.
Stomach ailment. तो 6 + 7 से 4 number आता है Rahu, which affects the stomach. Many people don't remember this, but it was his 40th year when the stomach injury almost took away Big B from us.
82.
40 साल के थे वो.
Have you been wrong ever?
Of course, I can't play God. People ask me that कटरीना और विकी कौशल को क्या होगा. I said, ये बोलो कि आपने 7 नंबर के हैं दोनों, 43rd ईयर में प्रिडिक्ट किया था कि बेबी होगा. डू अ स्टोरी ऑन दैट. दे वांटेड टू डू अ स्टोरी कि बेबी बॉय होगा कि बेबी गर्ल. तो आई टोल्ड देम, भाई आई कांट प्ले गॉड. द डे आई प्रिडिक्टेड अ बेबी बॉय फॉर ऐश्वर्या राय, आई स्टॉप प्रिडिक्टिंग सेक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड.
You had done that.
I had done that. I predicted baby girl for Rani and for Akshay Kumar and have been right most of the time. But somewhere numbers humble us, God humbles us, experience humbles us.
ठीक है,
So we
आपने
can, Bejan Daruwala ji had given me the biggest compliment. You were there and thanks to you I had met him. Okay, Sanjay, you have an accurate ratio of 80%, which is damn good for the industry, beta. And
I remember.
He had predicted 5 things about me and all of them were
All were
bang on.
right.
I got goosebumps, man. At that
I
time.
remember that very well. अभी आप बेजन दारुवला के नाम लिए. We talked about health. Numbers can predict health. This is a very sensitive question. What about death? आप किसी के when you're doing a forecast for somebody based on their numbers, आपको पता चलता है कि this person has got very little time to live. I know बेजान के टाइम पे आपने मुझे प्राइवेटली बताया कि ये बेजान का टाइम ख़राब है. याद है? You had sensed that he was going to die. I did not, क्योंकि बेजान was a very close friend and I was seeing him like that way year after year. लेकिन आप एक ही मुलाकात में ये जान लिया कि बेजान के टाइम ख़राब है.
See, he was much greater than me and he was doubly blessed with 2 number moon, one of the best numbers for the industry. 2 number Chandra intuitive psychic बना सकते हैं और 7 number Ketu. And he had both and he was a Cancer born. And Cancer ruler is also Moon and Neptune. My dad was a number 2. My sister Shweta Jumani is a number 2. So such people have a more affinity towards intuition, occult sciences. So though he said so many things, I could just see that one thing that was worrisome, but I did not have the guts to tell him on his face that आपका 8 आपका unlucky number है और आप 89th year में हैं. I just told him that I pray that you live 100 years. So there are many, energies in the universe. Don't pick up the wrong ones. A lot of clients ask me मेरे न्यूबॉर्न बेबी के बारे में बता दो कि कितने साल जिएंगे वो और ख़राब साल कौन सा होगा उनका. मैंने कहा मेरे बच्चे भी मुझसे नहीं पूछते कि मेरा ख़राब साल कौन सा होगा. मैं मान लो आपको बता दूं कि आपका ये साल बेबी का ख़राब होगा. हो सकता है मैं गलत हुआ, आई कांट प्ले गॉड, बट वो साल तो आपकी फैमिली की तो बैंड बज गई ना. रात की नींद आपकी ख़राब हो जाएगी. तो यूनिवर्स में बहुत एनर्जीज है, पॉजिटिव लोग. जैसे कि शाहरुख खान के नेगेटिव बर्निंग स्कल इन हेलमेट लोगों को हमने कहा भाई नेगेटिविटी क्यों मांग रहे हो, उसे चेंज करो, पॉजिटिव बनाओ.